Alright guys, now so we are going to start working on the list and tables. So we've done the links and images. Now we are going to go for list and tables. So let's first of all create a new file. Let's name it list underscore tables.html. So I'll be using my shift 1 to load my document type. So I'll change the title also, list and tables in HTML. So now we're going to start with the list first. Let me have a comment here, list in HTML. To do some list, let's have some list like first of all, let's create an h2 saying lead. Okay, let's have names of African countries. So let's go to the next line. So we have two type of list. We have the two type of list. We have ordered list and unordered list. So we'll start with the unordered list first, which is the UL. So let's have, since we have names of African countries, so we'll be starting with the first list of the unordered list, which is what? First list, let's have LI, let's have Nigeria. Come to the next line, let's have Ghana. The next line, let's have Sudan, and let's have Morocco. Right, so let's open this with our live server and let's view the result in our browser. Now we have the names of African countries and we have the list. It's here. Now let's go for the ordered list. So ordered list will be OL. Then we have the first list, but before that, let's have a list of let's have h2 saying names of African foods or dishes, anyone. So the first one will be, let's have rice, let's have semo. Third one, let's have amala. The fourth list, let's have yam, which is pounded yam. And let's add a single one, let's add beans. Right, so let's view the result in our browser. Yes, we have it. We have the names of African foods and we have the list in ordered way. Now we can see the output of unordered list and the output of ordered list as well. Ordered list as number is having number, while the unordered list is just dotted list. So that's that on list. We can actually overwrite this dotted lines or dotted list with our CSS. We can make this to be numbered, but it's going to be in CSS. So that's that for the list. Now let's go to the table aspect. So let me have a list comment here, tables, or let's have table in HTML. I'm not sure if my code is recording. All right. So to do a table, first of all, we need a table tag. After the table tag, we'll be needing the table head, that is the T head. After the T head, we need the table row. After the table row, we need the table headings. So for the first heading, let's have something like name, or let's say names. The second heading, let's have gender. The third heading, the third table head, let's have location, and the fourth one should be, let's have number or phone number. Right, so let's open this with our live server and let's view the result. Now yes, we have this table headings are there. So let's insert some data the into the headings, the table headings. So let's add some names and gender, location, and phone numbers. Let's add some data. Now we've done for the table head. Still inside the table tag, we need the table body aspect. Now we've done for the table head. As we can see, we have the table head here. Then these are the informations in the table head. Now we need to go into the table data. The table data, we need the first row. In the first row, we need the first table data to be name. Let's have a name. Let's have Mbel. The second table data, let's add gender. Gender is male. The third table data is location. Let's have Nigeria. The fourth table data, let's have the phone number of, let's also have some random numbers. So let's go to our browser and view the result. Yes, we can see the data has been filled up for the table heading. Let's add multiple data. So let's go to another row, table row, first table data or second table data rather, or okay, name, let's have Brad. The second table data, let's have male as well. Location, which is the third table data, let's add Boston. And the fourth table data, let's add some random numbers as well. So when we go to our browser and view the result, we can see this. We can add multiple data. So I'll just copy this table headings or this table row and do Shift Alt down and copy and paste it 2 more times. And all I have to do is just to re-edit this. So this will be, let's have Janet. It's going to be female. Location, let's have Canada. Then I will leave the number as well. Then let's add a more let's have Bridget. Sorry, I can't type. Female as well. Bust location should be let's have New York. Then the number, you can just edit it to your own taste. So let's go to our browser and view the results. So let me just add some, oh sorry, so these are simply the outputs of our table. Now we need to make the table have some borders. So I'll just come to the table tag here, the start tag, and add this attribute of borders. Then the border should apply. I need to add some width. Let me add some width, saying width, okay, it's going to be styling, that's inline width, inline styling, width of 500 pixels as well. Don't worry about the styling, I need to adjust it. Let's have text align center. Alright guys, so that is that on the table as well. So we'll be stopping here. We'll move on to the next class and we'll talk about, we'll be doing form. Yeah, so we're working on form in the next section or in the next class.